Right. So now let us see the series RC circuit. Series RC circuit. Now which is quite similar to the RL. So let us move in discussing this. That is R. Directly I am going with the phasor domain. So we have, or let me take one more step, no issue. So we have C. So let me use the time domain expressions as V of t, I of t, and V R of t, and V C of t, means voltage across the capacitor, whose capacitance value is C. So now if I will go with the phasor equivalent of this, I will write these things as R and capacitance. What we do? How much is the capacitive impedance? ZC is equal to minus J XC. So voltage across the capacitor I can write as VC bar. Voltage across the resistor I can write VR bar. Total voltage is V bar and total current is I bar. Now as because this is a series circuit, so what I will do is that I will consider the current as a reference, but nothing wrong in considering voltage also as a reference. One can consider that also, no issue. So this I will write as Im cos omega t. So immediately I will jump into the phasor domain, that I bar is equal to, so Im by root 2 at an angle 0, which can be said as I at an angle 0, where what is I? I is the magnitude of the current. Which magnitude? RMS value. So Im by root 2. Now quickly find, using this current, what is the voltage across the resistor? I into R, which is equal to that capital I into R at an angle 0, as like inductor case. Now what about VC? I into ZC. How much we will get? I is I at an angle 0, ZC is, so ZC is, what is ZC? Let me write here, ZC is equal to minus JXC, which can be written in polar form as, tell me, XC at an angle of minus 90. So here ZC I will write as XC at an angle of minus 90. So if I will multiply these two numbers, I will get I into XC at an angle of 0 minus 90, which is minus 90 degrees. This is what? Voltage across the capacitor, whose magnitude is current magnitude into capacitive impedance magnitude, XC. Angle is minus 90. Now if I want the total voltage, I can apply the Kirchhoff law, that is VR plus VC. Everything is in phasor form, cross verify. VR is IR at an angle 0. VC is I into XC at an angle minus 90. Now as because it is addition, I will try to prefer in rectangle form, that is IR at an angle 0 is equal to simply IR, and IXC at an angle minus 90 I can write minus J IXC. Now I can be taken common, so you can see this as R minus JXC, where R minus JXC can be written as ZT, total impedance of the RC circuit, and where, let me write, ZT is what? R minus JXC. So which can be written as square root of R square plus XC square tan inverse of minus XC by R. Tan inverse of minus XC by R. So which can be written as mod ZT magnitude at an angle of minus theta, where theta is equal to tan inverse of XC by R. Minus I have taken out. So out of this tan inverse, if minus is coming out, it becomes minus tan inverse XC by R, where, so that tan inverse XC by R we can consider as theta. This theta is different from RL circuit theta. Don't compare this theta with that. So if you are in RC circuit, now we are talking everything about the RC circuit only. Now can I write this as I at an angle 0 into ZT means mod ZT at an angle, tell me, minus theta. So this can be further written as I mod ZT at an angle of 0 minus theta is minus theta. This is what the total voltage across the RC circuit. Now putting all these together, we get the phasor diagram. Let me quickly take first the current vector. How much is the length of that is capital I. So where it is lying? It is lying on the 0 degree axis. This is what the 0 degree axis. Now if I will multiply I with the R, I will get the voltage across the resistor. That is definitely bigger than I. So this is what I into R. What does it represent? VR bar magnitude. Where it is lying? On the 0 degree. So it is in phase with the I. Next is the capacitor voltage. How much is the magnitude of the capacitor voltage? See that? Minus 90. Where is minus 19? And clockwise. Negative angles are measured in clockwise. So I should take the voltage at the origin in downward, which represents this as Vc bar magnitude, which is equal to I into Xc. Where it is lying? At 90 degrees, but in clockwise. See, this arrow represents negativeness that I already told you. Now, just in order to add phasor additions, just I will take this vector of the capacitor voltage to the tip of VR. So that now VR plus Vc, what does it gives is that VR plus Vc. So now let me write this as Vc, that is I into Xc. VR plus Vc is what the total voltage V. How much is the total voltage V magnitude? I into ZT magnitude. Check it. I into ZT. What is the angle of this? So let me put this upward. So this VR magnitude is I into R. Now how much is the angle of total voltage is theta. So that negativeness already represents in this clockwise arrow. So this is what the phasor diagram for a RC circuit. Now, so just as like in the RL circuit, you can proceed in the triangles that for a RC circuit, you can see that we have voltage across the resistor, which is equal to I into R, and we have the voltage across the capacitor, which is Vc magnitude, which is I into Xc, and the total voltage is the sum of these two voltages, which is V bar magnitude, which is equal to I into, tell me, ZT magnitude. Angle made by this is theta. This we call as a voltage triangle for a capacitor, voltage triangle. Now see that angle between voltage and current. Current is here, right? Actually current is here. This is what the current. Angle between total voltage and total current is how much? Angle of the voltage minus angle of the current is equal to voltage angle is minus theta, current angle is 0, which is equal to minus theta. What we call this angle? PF angle, power factor angle. Power factor angle. Next, if I want this power factor, then simply I'll add the cos of angle between voltage and current, which gives cos of minus theta, which is equal to simply cos theta. Now how can we find this cos theta from this voltage triangle? In many ways we can find theta. So for example, if I use the tan function, tan theta is equal to, quickly tell me, VC magnitude divided by VR magnitude. If I use cos theta, tell me, what is the adjacent side? VR magnitude divided by V magnitude. If I use sin theta,
VC magnitude by
V magnitude. So in these three ways we can find the theta. If we know voltage across the resistor and capacitor or the total voltage magnitudes. In the same way, you can divide this voltage triangle each side by current. Thereby we get the impedance triangle for the RC circuit. This is what the R, this is what the XC, and the total is what the total impedance, which is the mod ZT. How much is this mod ZT? Square root of R square plus XC square. Angle made by this is theta. Now we can write the same thing like tan theta is equal to, tell me, XC by R. Then cos theta is equal to R by mod ZT. Sin theta is equal to XC by mod ZT. Okay. So in this way we can use either voltage triangle or impedance triangle to get the theta values. Impedance triangle. Okay. Now let us take one more problem, so which illustrates this concept. So about the RC circuit. Now let me take a series RC circuit, a series RC circuit, a series RC circuit having resistance R is equal to 4 ohms and capacitance C is equal to 120 microfarad. Is connected to 230 volts 50 hertz single phase AC supply. Okay. So what we need to do is that same calculations that what we had seen in the previous problem. Let me take that entire thing again. So what I need is that calculate all these parameters, but here it may be capacitive reactance, etc. So let me paste here. Calculate reactance. Reactance means which reactance? Tell me. Capacitive reactance. Impedance and current drawn by the circuit and power factor of the circuit. So for which what we do? Quickly go with the circuit. R and this is capacitor which are connected in series, which is RC circuit. So this is R, this is minus JXC, and the total voltage is V and the total current is I. Only this information is enough. Now tell me how much is the reactance of the capacitor? First one. So let me calculate XC is equal to, tell me how much is XC? 1 by omega C. Don't forget this. Omega is 2 pi F into C, which is equal to 1 by 2 pi into 50 into, how much is the capacitance value? 120 micro. So into 120 into 10 power minus 6. Micro means 10 power minus 6. How much we will get? Just quickly calculate. 1 by 2 pi into 50 into 120 into 10 power minus 6. So I got this as 26.525. Is this correct? Units
yes,
are
sir.
ohms. Units are ohms. Next is I need the total impedance. So total impedance ZT is equal to sum of the each element impedance. Resistive impedance is R, capacitive impedance is minus jXC. So which is equal to R is 4 ohms minus J into XC is 26.525. Express this in polar form. Why? Because sometimes it may be helpful. So 4 minus 26.525 J or I can be expressed in polar form as 26.824 at an angle of minus 81.42. Is this correct? Check it. Degree. Units of the impedance is also ohms. Okay. Now what about third point? Third point is the current drawn by the circuit. So let me write in phasor form initially. I is equal to V by ZT. How much is the V? As like in the previous case, so it is the 238 at angle 0 directly divided by ZT is 26.824 at an angle of minus 81.42. How much is this value? So 230 divided by answer, which I already calculated, is so 8.574 at an angle of 81.42 ampere. So if you need the current magnitude, so mod of this I bar, which is equal to I, which is equal to 8.574 ampere. Okay. So next is the fourth one. You can calculate the power factor. Once we know the power factor angle, we can calculate directly. Do we know the power factor angle? Tell me. So power factor is equal to cos theta, which is equal to cos of the impedance angle. How much is the impedance angle? Minus 81.42. So it doesn't matter for cos whether it is plus or minus. So let me take 42, which is equal to how much is this? Cos of 81.42. 81.42. So 0.149. 0.149. Okay. So we can also calculate this power factor in another way, that if we know angle of the voltage, let me write theta V minus theta I. This format means theta V means angle of the voltage, theta I means angle of the current. So cos of, how much is the angle of the voltage? 0. How much is the angle of the current? See here, 81.42. So which gives again same thing. Okay. So you can calculate in another way as like this. So this is all about RL and RC circuit basics. So try to practice some more problems on these concepts to get aware of the reactance, impedance, power factor, angle, current, voltage additions, and phasor diagram especially. These things are very important. Okay. Thank you.